Hey everyone, welcome. Today it's gonna be a vlog video, and I apologize that I did not post a video for more than 10 days, and I have been very busy. I am going for conferences, I'm constantly traveling. Right now I am in Prague, and this is like my hotel room. As you guys can see, it's tough. It's tough to keep up with YouTube when you're traveling, you have constant conferences to attend. So my apologies. Alright, so today I'm going to be doing my makeup, my skincare, and I'm gonna be heading to my conference. So I'm gonna be talking about what products am I using and how does it work the best for the skin of color. So let's get into it. The first product that I am enjoying right now using it is the Clinic one. This is the one that I'm loving. It's for very dry to dry combination skin, and it is excellent. I mean, I think it is very expensive. I bought this 30 ml of product from Vilnius airport when I was traveling here, so I thought that let's give it a try. Like, I will buy a small one and see on my face like how it's reacting. Actually, I didn't have any breakout after using this. That's really good one, because usually the dry to very dry skin formulations are so thick in consistency that my skin just doesn't absorb it well, and I always have a breakout, a small pimple popping up. But this one is really good. I have a mirror here, so I'm gonna look here. So I just like dot it here, there, and that's it. It's like more than enough, I know. I'm gonna use it on my neck as well. I look like a joker. So for my concealer, I am going to be using NYX Bear With Me concealer. This one is my absolute favorite. It is in the shade 08 Sand. Yeah, 08 Sand. And I love that. There are darker shades as well, but this one goes the best with my skin. So before I even apply the concealer on my face, I forgot, I'll be using the face mist by Isadora. This is like a prime, fix, and moisturize. So I'm going to first spray it. And then just spread it evenly on my face so that it just nicely sits on it. The best thing is that when you're applying a moisturizer, you can just spray this on. This is like really good to fix your makeup on your face. It doesn't glide your makeup here and there. It doesn't feel like cakey, so it's like excellent. I love it. Then let's sit for like 1-2 minutes, and yeah, let it first sit on the face. It needs to make a shield on the face so that the makeup is not directly touching the skin. It is like a formulation which has like butylene glycol, pentylene glycol. These all are like humectants. They have moisturizing properties. They are glycol, so they are derived from glycerin. So these all are like making like a shield on the face so that the makeup doesn't directly touch the skin. So I even like it that there is rosemary extract. I've been using it for quite some time, and it does leave my skin with a nice finish when I apply my makeup. So I do currently enjoy using it. Then I'm gonna use the beauty blender and just go straight to my face. After applying my concealer, I would like to make it sit for at least like some seconds so that I don't directly apply the powder. So the concealer also has blended well with my skin tone, as you can see. And this product is actually good. The thing is that it doesn't have any fragrance into its formulation, but it has been formulated with talc. So I'm not a big fan of talc as well, but it is formulated with silica and iron oxides, and I do see that there are different moisturizing ingredients. No fragrance, a big plus for me. And I love this NYX concealer. It has been really good for so much time. I think it's my 5th or 6th pump that I purchased, and I use it almost like every alternate days or like in the occasion time, because it's really excellent, and it has never disappointed me in giving good results. So yeah. And I'm going to fix my face with fixing powder by Art Deco, and it does have like a sponge with it. So yeah, I'm gonna just like do this. Woo! You see, that's the one. It's in translucent shade, so it doesn't make any like difference. It just sits like your skin tone, but it does set your makeup really well. And you can see I have so much dark circles by not sleeping, constantly working. PhD is tough. PhD is super tough. Don't fall into the trap if someone says that, oh, PhD is the best. It's not the best, especially when you have to produce papers, when you have to produce so much of results in just such short duration. And sometimes there are like very motivational, people who are like producing things like in just 1 year. I'm not that kind of a person. I have hobbies, I have a life, and PhD is all about, how much you can dedicate to science. It tests you. So it's very tough, it is hard, but you got this. If you got this, you got this. Some people just have it inside them, but I'm not the one who is gonna have it inside me. But it's okay, I'm dealing with it. I'm dealing perfectly fine. I'm doing the best job at it, and I'm doing an excellent job at coping up with my insecurities. Okay, so I have set my face, and now it's time for drawing my eyebrows. I need to be very careful with this one. I like simple makeup, so I don't go like concealer and all that, especially when I'm in the conference. I like to look very natural, as simple as it can be, because you're beautiful just the way you are. When I recently got married, I was so simple. I was so like bare face makeup. I was like all about no makeup, because this is how it's supposed to be. You need to embrace how you look. Especially, I was inspired by Alia Bhatt. Alia Bhatt's makeup are so natural, so nude, so like natural, cheeky blush finish. I love her makeup because she is all about herself. She doesn't put a heavy makeup on her face. She loves to embrace how she looks, and that's really good. I love that thing about her, that she really doesn't care. She doesn't go and apply like a lot of stuff. She keeps her diet very healthy. She eats a lot of beetroot. Really good to eat beetroot if you want clear skin. Beetroot does an excellent job in producing hemoglobin, and there is more blood rush on the face. It's a good thing. You need to think about that one. And then there is the Max Factor. This blush is such a beauty. You see that it's all about like natural cheeky finish. I just use my finger. I don't go like something intense, so I just use my finger. Very natural, very natural. Don't, yeah, that's it. Very simple, very simple. I'm like a very simple woman. I don't like too much makeup on me. Then I'm gonna be using the mascara from Art Deco, and this mascara is like a bliss. It looks like you have like long and really excellent lashes, and you can actually twist it in the end, and it kind of changes the wand, and you can make it volumized, or you can just keep your lashes very simple and fuller. But I like volumized look, so yeah. That's how it looks. And I like to keep my upper lashes like longer. The lower lashes kind of makes my eye look very heavy. I like to just do my upper lashes more. It's like a trick, like a visual trick that you can do. It's just because when you do up and down the lashes, it seems like your eyes are popping out. And when you just do the upper lashes, it feels like you have a nice shape to your eyes. I kind of like to show the shape of my eyes than making it look like popping out. And I have really like very small eyes, so I just want to show the shape. I don't want to like make it look very big. The balm, I don't know if you guys can see this, but this one has been my absolute favorite for a very long time. This is all about, you know, no fragrance and beauty, and it leaves my lips moisturized. It's more like a gloss, and it's like simple. It's just like simple pinkish color. Looks so nude on me, so nude. And I have short hair, as you can see. I chopped it off recently, so I'm just going to brush it a little, and that is it. I mean, like, I'm done. I'm good to go outside now. That is it. I'm enjoying this vibe. You see, this is the makeup that I'm wearing. No view from my hotel looks like. I'm on the 4th floor, so this is how the Prague look like. Look at that. That's the Prague conference building. I'm going there for my IPC conference, but I'm gonna head there soon. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, and I will promise that I'm gonna keep you updated, and also I'm gonna put more videos on my channel. Thank you very much for watching again, guys. Bye, and I'll see you soon.